no matter how we make our money or how much money we make, we should take some money and put money away for an emergency fund. And it will really help you if an emergency comes. I know sometimes we don't even think about it. And that's why I'm here, to encourage and motivate you to start saving money for an emergency fund if you're not. And that is going to be with a 52-week savings challenge. So what we're working with is small amounts of money and time. So join me in this particular savings challenge that can help you over 52 weeks. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for emergency fund. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into if an emergency comes. Yeah. So, I have 7 savings challenges. And today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. Now, this particular savings challenge has been completed. I think I completed it last Monday. According to what's written in my planner, it should be $1,000 in this bottle. Now, I haven't had time to do an unstuffing, which I'm going to do that before this year is out. So I didn't have time to do it today because I'm going to have to, what I think I'm going to do is end up cutting this bottle open and taking the money out and then just buy another bottle. I was in Walmart yesterday and I didn't think to get another bottle. That's where I got this bottle from, Walmart. It was around $13, $14. It was full of water. I bought it, came home, poured the water out, let it dry real good, and I've been adding 10 $1 bills in this. I call my money bottle savings challenge for 2 years. I started this in 2024, and then I carried it over to 2025 because the goal was to save $1,000 in a year. But it was $500, so I thought, okay, I'll just carry it over, so it should be $1,000 in here now. And since it's completed, the money that I'm going to put in here today is going to be for January 2026, and that's why I'm going to record it in my planner, in my 2026 planner. See, it says 2026. Oh, I got that from Dollar Tree. For $1.25. Okay, so yeah, and we want to save at least $1,000, and it will cover Mercy up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate your living expenses for the month. Like if let's just say your living expense for the month is $1,000. Well, you multiply that times 3 or 6. 3 months, that's $3,000. 6 months, that's $6,000. And if you have a situation like this going on, this, or even this, you will have some money to tap into. Like say, for instance, you had this, and you save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. You can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You know, you can do things and won't be worried and stressed out. Where I'm going to get the money from? Who I'm going to get it from? Look, the situation a lot of people are, we can't go to them. You may have somebody that have money, but a lot of people, they need their own money. Okay, so we need to get our own savings together, okay? So yeah, you can still keep things going on until your situation changes. And that will keep you from having to go in and get this, and running up a bunch of these and staying out of, what's that called? This. That's what this is. This is this. We're going to stay out of this. We don't want to be in this because it is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. You know, like I said one time, I used to use credit cards like I thought it was free money. Once I got out of that situation, no more. And another thing that will help, if you do whatever you can to try to start coming out of this, you might need to increase your income. You know, do whatever you can. If you don't have things like this, you can have passive income, more income, and this can help you to become financially free quicker because you don't have this. I mean, these two here could be at least $1,000 a month, at least. Okay? So, and this is a great savings challenge because it's working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. And if this is your situation, this is a great savings challenge because, like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. And so what you need for this savings challenge, you need a container. Now, it doesn't have to be this one, but if you want to make it this one, that's fine. Like I said, I got this from Walmart. It was $13 and $14. And now, I had said for 2026, I was going to be adding 21s. And I was at the bank and I only got 10. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what I may do, add another 20. And then I might just go with 10. I don't know. We're going to see when January gets here because I do want it to be $1,000 by the end of 2026. Okay? So, yeah. You don't want to be in this situation when mercy comes. And if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Have more than one stream of income. Have multiple streams of income. That way, if you have something happen to one, you got some money to fall back on. Now, we have something that we're doing, and we're going to read our daily affirmations, okay? These are things that we are speaking into existence because death and life is in the power of our tongue. We have what we say, and we're going to call those things as being out as though they were. And we have to believe it, receive it, and expect it to happen, okay? Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and read our daily devotion. Devotion. I'm thinking about Sunday school or something. Read our daily affirmations. And it starts off, I decree and I declare that large sums of money coming to me, money chases me down. I decree and I declare that I am prosperous, send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt-free, I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare that I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare that my checking account balance is, and speak what you want, my checking account and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full, all my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. And I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. And you know it. Okay? All right. So, like I said, so this is what you're going to need. This is starting January 2026. But I'm just doing it now because this is all completed. And I'm showing you, start getting ready now if you want to do this savings challenge, okay? You don't have to have a container like this, but you can get one if you want to. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm not going to just drop this in here, because once I take this out and count it, this money is gonna go for 2026. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna roll this up, okay? And drop this in here, and I'll know this is the money for 2026. Okay. Now when I cut this open, it's gonna be before this year's out. I don't know when exactly. I'm gonna do an unstuffing. I got so much going on, y'all. Okay. Oh, let me go ahead and record that, and I'm going to put that on. This, like I said, this is my new planner for 2026, and the first Monday in January 2026 is what is this? January 5th, Monday, January 5th. Okay. All right. So we call this our money bottle savings challenge, and we added $10. Okay, so the total amount for 2026 is $10. Okay, all right. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any other savings challenge. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.